Hi, welcome to the dassoXTR installation series. Today, we will be showing you how to install the dassoXTR fused bamboo exterior siding. XTR fused bamboo is made up of 87% bamboo and 13% phenolic resin. That's what makes it dense and durable. It's going to last 3 to 4 times longer than any natural hardwood in the marketplace. dassoXTR carries a Class A fire rating. It's non-flammable and it's not going to burn. dassoXTR is versatile. It adheres to many historic building codes, such as those in Charleston, South Carolina. It also acts as a rain screen for locations that experience heavy rains and high winds. The sustainability and durability of fused bamboo makes it an ideal replacement for exotic hardwoods. It's a great value for your money, and today we're going to show you how to install it step by step. Let's get to it. Having the proper materials is the first step to installing dassoXTR fused bamboo siding. Before you begin, make sure you have the following on hand: 1 inch by 6 inch RainClad siding, Dasso's RainClad aluminum siding clips, 2 inch by 6 inch lumber, 4 foot by 6 foot panels, dassoXTR plugs, screws, and finishing oil. Specific tools are also necessary to ensure the quality of the installation. You will need an 11/32 inch drill bit, 1/8 of an inch drill bit, and a 40 tooth carbide blade. Due to the uniqueness of the XTR material, we have a few tips that will help you with your installation. First, use a crosscut end sealer to help prevent splitting and checking at the ends of the boards. We recommend that all boards be end sealed as soon as reasonably possible after cutting. Second, when cutting the material, use a fresh carbide 40 tooth blade. Avoid forcing the blade. Let the blade cut through the board itself to prevent splintering. Thirdly, the use of high-speed drill bits to create pilot holes prevents damaging the material or breaking the screws. For pilot holes, it is best to use 11/32 inch drill bit. Cut halfway through the material, then drill in and out the other side with an 1/8 of an inch drill bit. The 11/32 inch drill bit is the perfect size to have a clean, snug fit for the XTR plugs. When installing XTR siding, always install corners, door, and window trim first. For this project, all of our corners and trim were crafted to fit the unique architecture of historical Charleston, South Carolina, including a reveal around the windows and doors that embodies building practices of the 1700s and 1800s. After the trim is installed, it's time to screw on the starter board. For installation around an outside corner, cut the starter boards at a 45-degree angle so that they align at the base as shown here. Make sure you use the correct screws in order to drill far enough into the framing. Now that we have the starter board level and fastened, we can begin installing the XTR siding. The clips are placed 16 inches on center on top of the 2x6 starter board. Framing construction can greatly affect XTR siding installation. You may need shims to offset the clips from the framing so that the siding maintains a level plane as demonstrated. Make sure to measure and level each piece as you add the siding to ensure that the quality of the siding isn't compromised. Finally, the last 2x6 finish board should be cut to fit the remaining space at the top of the wall. Be sure to pre-drill your material before screwing and plugging. XTR fused bamboo will silver over time, just like Brazilian ipe, if it is not maintained. To keep the rich, dark tone of XTR and protect it from UV light, we recommend either applying exotic hardwood oil or a synthetic polymer finish. For this project, we use Woka water-based oil that enhances the natural color and grain of the material. Thanks for watching our dassoXTR installation series. Be sure to check out our website, dassoXTR.com, for additional information and helpful links.